how to add your business on Google Maps. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open Maps. Once you open Maps, I am clicking a random location here, but you have to click spot and pin the exact location where your business is set up. Let it be a cafe, let it be a bakery. You have to click on that spot, search it on the location and click on it. Like for example, you have to go search and click on it. Once you search it, this will show up. You have to just scroll down and here you will find an option of add your business to Maps for free. Once you click on that, it will take you to this link where you have to put your business name and you have to click on business category. For example, I clicked on a dessert restaurant. Click next and then you have to fill all these details. Once you fill all these details, you have to fill the address, the exact location and all. Once all these processes are done, you will get a mail on your Gmail of confirmation, and you will have to upload pictures. You will have to put your phone number, you will have to put your website if you have one. If you don't have one, that's fine, but your phone number, so that once the place is listed, people can contact you. You will have to put what hours it is open. All those details you will have to fill in. Once you fill in those details, you put your official Gmail. They'll try contacting you for a verification process, and it will take a day for your business to be set up. Mostly there will be no verification process, but they will ask you for pictures of the location and the setup. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.